Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you one of my Mother's Day gifts. My son gave me this Echeveria Misty Lilac. He knows me so well. And this beautiful specimen is actually a hybrid of the Echeveria Cubic Frost. You'll see the resemblance in the shape of the leaves, the coloring, but this Misty Lilac is so much bigger. Very hardy looking plant. And I knew immediately that I was going to need a much larger pot to put it in, so I went to Home Depot and got this larger plastic ceramic looking pot to put it in. To help fill in the pot, I looked around my house and I decided to use this container here that I had actually made for the wedding series of favors and centerpieces. So I took that apart and put it in here. I've added a Kalanchoe Marginata there also that I had on my patio. And you'll see here some string of bananas also that came from that centerpiece. So I just kind of took pieces from around my home and from my patio to fill in this arrangement. Some string of beads also in the back here. And the Sedum Adolphii there, the rich color of it will add some variety to it. The blue of the Senecio chalk fingers, and also the texture of that Crassula watch chain. And towards the back here, I added one of my favorite plant, this Euphorbia Trigona Rubra. I did a propagation on this a few months ago, cut the top off and gave those away, and now it's finally shooting out some arms and some stems there. Once it really fills out, it's just going to look beautiful back here. I tried to fill in all around the pot, although it's going to be facing one way, and I tilted the Echeveria to face a certain way, but I did try to fill in all around. I added some sedum that I had growing in another pot. I don't know the actual species of this sedum, but hopefully it will survive. I did put some rooting hormone on it. And you can see a little bit of the damage that the plant had. That's kind of why I put it towards the back here, but it should do fine. It's got some flower stalks. I counted at least 3 flower stalks that are already growing on it, so hopefully those will continue to shoot up. I'm not sure what the coloring of the flower is. Hopefully it's like a yellow or an orange. It would look beautiful if it is, in contrast to the lilac color of this plant. And it's going to look beautiful once it all fills in. Rosie there, I think, is probably done and wants to go inside. But I wanted to take a moment to show you what a beautiful Mother's Day gift that I received, and also this arrangement that I put together. And if you love this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Friends, have a blessed day.